Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card in Windows 11. To do this is super easy, and I'm going to show you two easy ways how you can actually check this. So the first way you can easily do, guys, is just simply go ahead and right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and click and run. And you want to type in DXDIAG, so DXDIAG, and hit enter. You'll receive a pop-up on your PC if you're opening this for the first time, and you just want to select yes, and it's going to open up this DirectX Diagnostic Tools right here. No, depending on the amount of screens that you have, that could be from your laptop and also external monitor, depending on the amount of graphics you also have there, you will be able to see that it shows different displays. So you can see right here in my computer that two displays, and of course you want to look at that. So for example, if I press on display 2, you can see that I have my NVIDIA G4 FX, and this is showing it in my laptop, and you can see that as well. So you can see the details here, and I can check everything about it as well. Also, you can see that it shows another display, and you can see the graphics details as well. So if you're looking for the graphics details here, you will most likely see that show up as well. Both of them are from your PC, guys, so you'll be able to see that it shows different options here, right here. And that's pretty much how you can easily go ahead and check your graphics card on your PC. Now, another way I want to share with you is it's a common way, and you most likely have seen it 1,000 times by accessing this one feature. Just right click again on your taskbar and open up the task manager. And let me pull this over from the second screen so you can see it. Here you want to know, go ahead and click on performance, and here you will see the GPU details. As you can see, it shows my GPU details, and it actually shows two. Just like the previous option, I'm able to see two. One of them is showing from the Intel, and the second one is showing the NVIDIA. So you have GPU 1, GPU 2, depending on how much your PC have. It will show from the previous one and show that you have two graphics, two screens. And in my case, it's actually showing the one that is more active, the one is more in use. And you can see that this one is actually doing it. Right, so this is how you can easily check your graphics card in Windows 11, guys. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.